In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add United States tax info in AdSense using Form W-8BN. If you earn through AdSense and you're located outside the United States, this is an important setup step because it helps Google determine the correct tax treatment for your account. Filling this out properly can also help you claim any applicable tax treaty benefits depending on your country. In this walkthrough, we'll keep it simple and focus on exactly where to go and what to enter. First, sign into your AdSense account and go to the Payments section. From there, open Payments Info, and then select Manage Settings. This area contains the billing and payment details connected to your account, so take a moment to make sure you're in the correct place before moving forward. Once you're inside the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled United States Tax Info. In that section, click Manage Tax Info. This will open the tax management workflow where Google asks for the tax information required for your account. Next, choose Add Tax Info. When prompted to select your tax status, choose Individual and then Non-US Resident. This tells the system that you're submitting tax information as a person, not a business, and that you are not a tax resident of the United States. Selecting the correct status here matters because it determines which form you'll complete and how your account is evaluated for withholding purposes. After that, complete Form W-8BEN. This is the form commonly used by individuals outside the US to certify their foreign status. As you fill it out, make sure your information matches your legal records. One especially important part is entering your local TIN or PAN if you want to claim tax treaty benefits. This identification number helps support your treaty claim and may reduce the tax withholding rate if your country has an eligible agreement with the United States. Before submitting, review everything carefully. Even small mistakes in tax information can cause delays, rejections, or incorrect withholding. Double check that you selected individual and non-US resident and confirm that your tax identification details are accurate and current. Once everything looks correct, submit the form. After submission, AdSense will process the information and update your tax profile accordingly. That's it. You've successfully added